In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Now use this switcher next to Automatic Brightness, available under Brightness slider, to either switch it on, the switcher is blue, or switch it off, which will make it turn gray. Quick tip, if you wanna do it much faster, you can always go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, and use this eye icon available next to Brightness slider. When it's blue, auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same icon until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!